everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn some easy English sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ah, I am happy. I am thirsty. Yay! I am hungry. I am tired. I am sad. I am cold. It is very hot today. Please help me. Wait a minute. Come with me. Be careful. It's okay. I don't know. Open the door. Close the door. Turn on the light. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Give me a minute. What are you doing? What happened? I need some water. I want some food. Let's eat. That looks good. I like it. See you tomorrow.
Whoa!
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.